Ken from Alliance Manufacturing with a sweet message. Sweet, S-U-I-T-E. Sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I want to walk you through the process of our R3 program, recondition, retool, reuse. And it starts with a machine that looks like this. This is a rotary drum style parts washer. As you can see, it's in pretty rough condition. We've got the drum pulled out of it. We start with back to the fabricated tank and we strip it all down. And so there's a lot of prep work that goes into it. After that step in the process, the machine, that's the factory certified reconditioned retool. The machine will look somewhat like this machine. So this is a machine that we just completed. This is an Aquamaster CD 1800. This has a drum that rotates with an auger on the inside and it conveys parts through the system. This one has a heated wash and a heated blow off. This machine was first went into production back in 2013 and it was used for cleaning fine blank stamped components, steel parts, and now it'll be doing screw machine parts. So getting ready to go back out in the field for many, many more years of use. Now we have another large drum washer over here. This is a brand new system. This machine is wrapped up, getting ready to go to the customer's facility. That had a 24-inch diameter drum with a heated wash and heated blow-off module. So that's our sweet logo, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Ken from Alliance, just some of the many sweet things going on here at Alliance. Have a sweet day.